today's video we will see how to build the chatbot using RAG implementation by having the knowledge base in AWS Bedrock. Okay, this is a workshop link which I am currently showing. It have a detailed explanation on how to build the CloudFormation stack, and which will create an Amazon S3 bucket. We need to create a folder called knowledge base, and we need to upload our knowledge base PDF file. From that, how it extracts the information we will see step by step now. Now I'll log into the AWS console. In console, I need to go to the CloudFormation stack. Okay, I need to create a new stack. Upload the existing template. Just choose a file. Okay, I just downloaded the YAML file, which is present here, CloudFormation template. This is the file I just uploaded. I need to create the stack name. Okay. Make it name as KB-Bedrock. Okay. And we need to agree the terms and condition. I need to create the CloudFormation stack. It will take a couple of minutes to complete the stack. CloudFormation stack being completed. Okay, go to resources. Click on S3 bucket. This is the bucket created. Just click on that and create one folder. We call it as knowledge base. This. Just click on create folder, and inside the knowledge base folder upload a PDF file. They mentioned the PDF file over here. Once you created the CloudFormation stack, you need to configure the S3 bucket. Inside the S3 bucket, you need to upload the folder. This is for enabling the models. This is the next step we need to do. Okay, before that we need to upload the file. Just click on add file. Okay, and just click on upload. Okay, once upload been completed, and go to Amazon Bedrock. Okay, and need to access the models. Just click on request model access. Okay, here in this case we are going to use Titan embeddings, and you can enable one of the Claude model as well. Just click on Claude, click on next, submit. It will take a couple of minutes to complete. Meanwhile, what you can do, you can go and create the knowledge base. Go to knowledge base, create knowledge base. Okay, take the default knowledge base name, and this is the default service role being assigned. Click on next, and we are going to create the knowledge base in this AWS account, and we need to select the S3 location. Okay, this is the knowledge base we have created. Click on the PDF file which we uploaded. Click on choose, then click on next. This is the LLM model we are going to use, embeddings G1, and create. Just review it and create the knowledge base. It will take a couple of minutes to create the knowledge base. Once knowledge base being created, we need to sync the knowledge base, okay, with the data source. Just click on the sync button. Once the sync been completed, we will have a notification stating sync completed for the data source for the knowledge base. Okay, and then we need to try out some prompt. Just click on generate response. If we enable this generate response, it will fetch from the LLM models Now we need to retrieve the data from the knowledge base which we have been uploaded. This is the PDF file we have uploaded. Okay. First we need to turn off the generate response, and then we will copy this question and let's see whether retrieve the information or not. Okay, retrieve the references. You see here the show source details, right? Okay, it points to the SA bucket where we uploaded the PDF file. Okay, now what we can do, now click on generate response. Okay, and we need to select the model. Okay, in this case I am going to select the cloud2 model. Okay, you just click on apply. Okay, I'm going to enter the same prompt again. Click on done. Okay, and now it retrieves a augmented information response. Okay, if you see here the source, okay. Hope you like this demo. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. We try to post at least one video in a week.